Hi, and welcome to English 1020, the second half of the Rhetoric and Composition series here at UTC. I am your professor, Stephanie Todd, and I'd like to welcome you to the class and take just a few minutes to go over what you can expect this semester from English 1020. So first, let's define what we mean by rhetoric and composition. Well, rhetoric is just the art of persuasion, and composition is just the act of composing. So what we'll be working on this semester is composing texts with the intent of persuading audiences on a topic, an issue that you have chosen. That is the primary objective for the class. Some of the other objectives include teaching you how to research, how to engage with different texts, to gather source material, to analyze, synthesize, summarize some of these different sources that you'll be working with, and how to compile research together into persuasive pieces that take a stance on the issue that you've chosen and support that stance with reason, with logic, and with the source material that you've gathered. So there are three primary components to the research project that you'll be working on. In English 1020, the semester is just one large research project on one singular topic. So you will have the same topic all semester long. You will choose that topic in the first couple weeks of class. We'll be talking about what our class theme is, and everybody will get a chance to choose a topic that's interesting to them related to the class theme. So I would encourage you to pick a topic that you're really interested in because, as I said, you will be working with it all semester long. Once you've chosen your topic, we come to the first major component of the research project, and that is the topic proposal. So this is where you will define the issue, provide an overview of it. You will join the critical conversation, kind of set up the debate as it is right now on the issue that you've chosen. You will define the research question, that is the question that you hope to answer with your research this semester, and then you will develop a research plan, how you are going to gather the sources and information that you need in order to answer that research question. So that's the proposal is the first component. The second component is the annotated bibliography, which is the research component. That's where you gather sources on the topic that you've chosen and you compile those sources together into a big bibliography with annotations that kind of offer some explanation about those sources. Then the third major component of the research project is the persuasive component, and that's where you will use the annotated bibliography, the sources that you have in the annotated bibliography, to write a persuasive essay where you take a stance on the issue and you support that stance with your evidence. And then along with your essay, you will provide an infographic, which is a visual representation of the persuasive stance that you've taken in the essay. So basically you are making your same argument that you made in written text in a visual text. This is where that art of composition comes in. We want you to try to compose in a few different modalities for a few different audiences. So we'll do both a written and visual composition or presentation of your argument. So those are the three components: the research proposal, the annotated bibliography, and then the persuasive pieces, the essay and the infographic. Each of these major assignments builds on the one before it. So the annotated bibliography builds on that research question and plan that you develop in the proposal. And then, of course, the persuasive pieces build on the annotated bibliography by using the source material that you gathered in order to make your argument. So really, the semester is kind of a continuous process by which you investigate and analyze and ultimately argue or persuade on the topic that you have chosen. So I look forward to working with each of you this semester, and I hope you have a wonderful first week of class. Take care.